Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a booking in the Salam Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the booking section, click on the Manage My Booking button. And to find your booking, just type your booking reference and your last name. And then by clicking on the Find Booking button, your booking will be listed there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.